Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Report, and the title of it is Cops Need 2, not 1, but 2 tasers to bring her down, man. Keyword her, man. Woo, it ain't a guy. A girl? What? They can't control the females? Come on, man. Let's get into it, y'all.
It's so scary, I don't know what to do.
Face down, hands behind your back.
On September 8th, 2023, police were called to a comfort inn after management advised they had a large female in a bathing suit running around on the second floor causing a disturbance, and they want her trespassed.
Yes.
Who is it?
Sheriff's office.
Might I ask what the problem is?
Sheriff's office.
I was approached by someone and I would like to know what the problem is. Because I can't even get in my own pool. There was a dog in the parking lot.
Unlock the door. Unlock the door.
You're gonna go to jail if you don't open the door.
If you don't open this, you're gonna go to jail.
I'm going to DFAX and I'm going to my lawyers. I want you all to calm down for a minute.
Unlock the door,
and I will unlock
please.
it for you.
Okay, go ahead and remove it.
Now,
Unlock it.
might I ask why?
Because we're telling you to.
Do you have a warrant?
I don't need a
Don't
warrant.
need one.
Why was that lady?
You're going to jail.
All right,
That's
you've
it.
been warned.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yep, so are we. Open the
Okay,
door.
what do you want me to do, baby?
Unlock
Open
the
the
door.
door.
Okay, are you going to arrest me?
Unlock the door.
No. Go get my lawyer.
Okay, now you just added a charge of resisting. Good
No,
job.
I would like to speak with my lawyer. The lady replied to the roots.
Cool. You just got trespass after warning and resisting.
I'm going to leave if it's all right with you.
Yeah.
Honestly, I would just let this guy talk, because the other guy, even though he may be right, but he's kind of he's not helping de-escalate the situation. Like, this dude right here, he's calm, cool, and collected. Like, he's about to, you know what I'm saying? I think she would open the door, like, if she was just dealing with him. But the other guy, he he a little too antsy for me.
Yeah,
Come
you
on out.
are leaving.
Come on out.
I believe that the hotel across the street tried to poison me over chlorine. I tried to go there last night to run from the guy that I believe is a pedophile above my head. And then I was refused service at 2 hotels. I've never been in this hotel. I say to myself, I'm going to go
Room
to the pool,
326.
and enjoy the pool, then go about all this city freaking business that I still have to do because my aunt has just died.
Man, would
So
you
now
unlock the
I
door,
have to try
please?
to make sure that my money from my grandfather that she took illegally from me is secure. Is that?
I can't talk to you through the door. Would you unlock the door, please?
I don't want y'all to rush on me.
I'm
We're not going to rush on you. You open the
You guys
door.
just were like, la 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 la.
All right, well, da-la-la-la-la-la, open the
Well,
door.
that's a big deal to some people,
All
okay?
right, well, da-la-la-la-la, open the
Just
door.
like something getting poisoning,
Unlock the door, please.
sir.
See, that's what I mean. Like, the da 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 da, like, you're mocking her. Like, that cop is egging it on, bro. Like, just have that cop shut up and let this one deal with the situation, bro.
I am asking. I told
Clearly,
you guys
she not right.
about Wilson's
Okay, just
thing that was closed.
remove that lock and we'll talk further.
Well, might we go outside so that I can?
Yeah,
I think that
step on
sounds
out.
like an excellent idea. Why don't you
Step on
unlock
out.
that door?
I'm trying to compromise with you guys.
Okay, well,
Do you
we're-
know how scary it is
we're-
being in my position? My mom is
Yes,
dead.
ma'am. We're in a
My
compromising
stepdad is
mood. Go ahead
abusing
and
me.
open that up.
I'm trying to get to my own business, and there is so many.
Would you unlock the
people
door,
where there was a
please?
gold hoop in the floor.
We're getting a special
Now, I
key
haven't
for that
called
door.
the
If we have to use that,
investigators
are you going to open it or
So
not?
what might be occurring?
Okay, he's already got it.
I don't know. What do you want me to do? Keep forcing the blonde on me? Because she looks like a
Blonde?
psychopath. That means she might be. It isn't her. Sir, calm down. And I'll give you a second. Just
You
calm
gonna
down.
undo
You don't have to break in the door. Just
Apparently
calm
you
down.
do.
Just chill. I'll open it.
Unlock it. Here we go.
Look, man, what do you want me to say to you? That's
Fantastic.
I want to
All right.
speak with my lawyer.
Okay, you're going to need a lawyer.
Yes, you do. Sir, chill the fuck out, yo. You are an abomination. And who might y'all be? Age, rank, number, motherfucker. How many of us have you fucking done? Oh,
hands behind your
Stop!
back.
Stop,
Put your hands
please.
behind your back.
Yes, sir, I will. I apologize. It's so scary, I don't know what to do.
Face down. Hands behind your back.
Please, I'm not anyone. I'm just someone's daughter lost down here. I'm gonna shut up.
This is a tough one. Because clearly, yeah, this is a tough one. This is a tough watch because she clearly got some mental issues. You know what I mean? And the one officer is like kind of egging her on. Like, I feel like the other guy would have been able to control the situation without all of this going on. But dang, to get hit with that taser, like skin contact like that. Oh boy, no shirt, no nothing, but oh yeah, she felt that, boy.
I want to speak to my lawyer. I want to speak to my lawyer from Punta Gorda.
You'll get a chance to do that.
Thank you, sir. I apologize. That was horrible.
14 Central, one large lady tase.
Please don't do this to me, you guys. Look at the blueprints.
All right. Go ahead and sit up.
I'm so sorry. Might I have this?
Hold on.
Where's your wallet?
My wallet is in my...
Is it in your purse?
I believe it's in my beach.
Beach bag.
Yeah, I brought it with me. Imagine if I hadn't. I'm sorry.
God, it's a flashlight.
That was horrible.
Did you request this?
No.
You need one of this?
No.
Might I have this cigarette?
Have you taken anything today?
No, sir.
Because you're a little on the extra side.
I'm just going through something really hard. And when I went to the place where they were supposed to solve it, they were more concerned with Ty McLeod than they were with helping me get to the therapist. Now, I did get to the therapist, but the mental health ladies, they don't cover under the judge. They flutter around like they can do whatever they want. And it's very hard when that happens, especially when you've paid.
You live right down the street on Rampart. Why are you here?
Because that guy lives above. It's like this weird thing with my aunt
314
and the
copy
babies. So I don't want to get hurt, right?
1990.
Ow, fuck.
All right.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know what to say. I didn't
Well,
mean to
the
resist.
easy answer is, hi,
Yes,
how
sir.
are you? My name's
Thanks
Cassandra.
for the-
Right?
Yes, sir.
That's all you gotta do.
I'm sorry.
Instead of struggling and being all slimy. Right?
It smelled like urine.
At least the bed's all nice and made. All right. So, you will be going to jail today for trespass after warning
No,
and
I
resisting.
asked her who she was, and she didn't tell me who she was, sir. I'd like for you to rethink it for a moment.
I don't even think anything.
Can I please go to the BHU and calm down? I finally got my hair untangled, and that's where the judge asked me to go. I had to ask him 3 times for an MHE, not a psych. So I don't know where they were going to put me, but if they shaved my head, I was going to freak out.
She is at your last valid deal. I do show her on probation or supervised release status for an offense of possession of methamphetamine, special conditions being no bars.
$1,000, and the therapist was more concerned with McLeod than with getting the information across to the
Copy,
therapist. I was able to go after I got out, so I must have been able to say something. Because they've been shaming me since I got here. And you know, like, it's hard to find private investigators. I asked for the private eyes number, it takes some days.
What's that? What do you think?
We're making defects, right? But I don't know what I'm going to do about my house. What about the pedophile and all those other pedophiles over there that I got pushed into instead of being able to, like, be with McLeod?
You have your,
I had to wait for a year to prove to Miss Connie, my doctor, why in the pen I didn't
don't
have
have
the
mustache with
sleeping
you.
pills that I needed. She then took me on a brain draft of a brain-changing drug instead of just a drug that puts.
Would you mind
you to
standing
sleep.
up? Would you mind standing up for me? We'll get you some shoes. You get your little sandals there, and we'll
Might I
walk
put on
out.
some
Okay?
clothes? My stuff
Hey,
together.
hold still. Hold still.
I have a oneie in the closet.
Hold still.
No. It's just like a one piece. I bought it.
I'm not gonna be able to get that one out without.
I don't know if he's
tool.
gonna be, but I don't know, I'm gonna go to prison for 8 years if you guys take me off instead of being able to do my business.
I didn't do that to you.
Yeah, you did when you let Ellen sell me like a slave.
You're gonna stop in the car.
Can I have a cigarette, please, sir? Why is it my fault?
Stop tensing up.
I want someone to collect my property. Please bring
Stop tensing up.
I have $200 glasses on. Goddamn bought so I can get into that fucking studio.
And you're gonna walk like
and
a
it's
grown-up.
my studio.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir, I do.
Do you
Yes,
understand
sir,
me?
sir. Do I say no or what do you say?
Or right.
Can I speak to my rear while we're here? No. Mother? Why did you take the in? Go to that with Mike. I'm so sorry. The chlorine scared me. And they've been chasing me back and forth yelling. And then they've been chasing Ty around over that old man. I wouldn't have even seen the husband at all. All I knew was some guy messing with me when I tried to put my lock on my door.
Hey, buddy.
So I've just been locked. Please don't send me back. I can do it. But you guys have to move at the same time. Like when I told the therapist to try to help me with the thing upstairs. I guess, it's a bank thing, like what Susan was doing when she asked me to sign a quitclaim deed and then mortgage out. And she called my dad a loose cannon. But really, what kind of was it? He made her $700,000. He wasn't a dumbass. He was a good son. Don't you think that my little class ideals might make some good money?
This way.
Well, the golden hoop on my mag light, that better not come off, because that didn't come in the building. I knew when she came out there to cause me problems, asked me what that lady was doing last night. Is there tulip in the lemonade? Maybe checking those things. No, taste it, I'm serious. But look at them berries down there. What do you think of a little scared?
Berries.
Yeah.
Berries and cream.
Well, what does lemonade taste like to you, sir?
Berries and cream.
Berries and cream, berries and cream. The Marmalade Hills. VHSville. Please make sure I'm not
VHSville.
here, okay? I'm so sorry. It's really hard.
You got anything on you or in you or
Never
tucked
have
away?
a baby. We'll see.
Let me see. Fantastic.
And I plan to make sure they have enough
still have
money
one in her?
for college,
Yes.
not to be yelled at.
It's right up by the front of the right breast. I think we got one in the car. Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, this is a tough watch. She's clearly a bug out, or she's high, or something like that. Definitely, for sure. But I think
That's why I said it's drug induced. Sweat like
But I think it could have been handled without her getting tased. But
Are they still in there?
Yeah.
They didn't give us time to roll it out.
Alright. We're going to get this other little probe out of you, okay? Alright, you got it.
Now you're not going to put no more probes in me, are you?
No.
Okay, because I did see a guy with his head shaved and a plastic probe in him. I don't want that to happen to my
Clean back.
eye.
Clean back.
You understand, Fafavillian? Oh,
The Rays are the ones that do the probing.
Got it.
that seat. Sorry, I didn't want
I think
you guys
that
to
was
look
the
at
only
that.
one.
Another wire coming.
Lift
I
your,
know
lift
there
your head
was too
up.
much chlorine in there. I smoke so I can
Turn that way.
ammonia. You can
Turn that way.
You can tell it.
Turn that way. Nope, the other way.
Oh.
Keep going. Keep going. Stop.
Now we can hear this.
Just keep your fucking mouth shut, right? We'll see.
So,
I'm sorry, it took so long to get there, and I don't have anyone to
Six
talk
did.
to.
there's some up there in the room.
Well, I know that, but I thought 3 actually made contact. I don't know. I didn't see. It looked like one.
I deployed 2.
You deployed
Did
2.
you
I
fire
didn't see
twice?
it. I didn't see you fire twice.
I didn't see you fire twice.
My first
It
one
was a
wasn't
little-
effective,
I fired.
so I fired the second one.
Okay.
It wasn't too bad, I didn't die.
Yeah, right?
Alright.
The woman was charged with resisting officer without violence and trespass failure to leave property upon order by owner.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.